Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to get started on Toon Nation Telegram mining. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. Toon Nation is an AI-powered crypto gaming, and it owns some popular apps like Photo Lab, ToonMe, and New Profile Pic. The link to the Telegram bot will be in the description box below. Now let's get started. When you click on the link, all you need to do is allow the bot to message you by clicking on Start. Then click on Play. So when you're starting for the first time, you need to upload your photo to customize an AI character. On the End tab, you see some daily quests which you need to perform, and some special quests on the other side. The special quests consist of their social tags. Now let's go back. The Invite tab. When you invite your friend, you get 5,000 coins and 20% from your friend's earnings. Here's your referral link. You can choose to copy your link or share directly. Now let's go back. On the Upgrades tab, you can see increased farming speed, increased wallet limit, and increased vault capacity. And these are daily tasks you need to perform. Meaning once you gather enough coins, you don't need to store those coins. You need to use them to upgrade, which you can find here: upgrade farming speed, increase wallet limit, and increase vault capacity. Now let's go back. On the Exchange tab, it's coming soon, where you build exchange your coins for Toon token. Now let's go back. So here's how it works. Once you claim your coins, you don't need to store those coins. You can see your vault balance at the top under your username. You can see it's 90%, meaning once this vault balance gets to 100%, you will not be able to claim coins from this side. You will not be able to claim coins from there again. All you need to do is go to the upgrade section, then upgrade your vault capacity. Then you'll be able to claim. But once your vault is full, here's what you need to do before upgrading it. Go to the End section. You find top of your vault at the bottom. Click on it, meaning fill the vault to its maximum capacity to complete this quest. Once you've filled it, once it's showing 100% at the top, what you need to do is come here and click on Claim Reward. Once you've claimed, then you can go and upgrade your vault. As you can see, you can perform other tasks daily, like move coins to vault in 20 minutes, upgrade your farming speed. You can upgrade. All these are daily tasks, meaning you don't need to store those coins. Keep upgrading. Keep upgrading. That's what they are trying to tell you. Do not store those coins. Once you get enough, once you accumulate enough coins, make sure you do this daily upgrading. Now that's all about Toon Nation Telegram mining. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, as the team member will be available to answer your question. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in our next video.